In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Shopify themes. Whether you're a new store owner or you're simply looking to refresh your site with a new look, importing a theme to your Shopify store is a straightforward process that offers a world of customization possibilities. So let's dive in and get you started with adding a new theme to your store with this simple tutorial. First, begin by going to your Shopify admin panel. This is the control hub for your entire online store where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you should be on the home page of your store's admin section. It's important to note that every part of customizing your Shopify store, from adding products to configuring themes, is done from this admin interface. The next step is to navigate to the Online Store tab in the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to the appearance of your store. Give it a click and it will expand to reveal other options. This area lets you edit your themes, set up your blog, and manage other essential aspects of your online presence. Once you're in the online store section, you want to focus on your themes. You'll see an option called Themes at the top of the list. Go ahead and click on that. Here, Shopify shows you the current theme that you're using. Below this, you'll find a button labeled Add Theme. Clicking on this button allows you to add new aesthetic dimensions to your store's appearance. After clicking Add Theme, you'll have the option to either visit the theme store or upload a theme file that you may have downloaded from the internet or developed independently. For this tutorial, we are focusing on uploading a theme file, so you will want to click on the Upload Zip File option. This option is handy if you purchased a theme from a third-party vendor or have a custom theme file ready to go. Next, select the zip file of your desired theme from your computer. Shopify requires themes to be in a zip format for them to upload smoothly. Select your file and click the Upload button. Shopify will then begin the process of uploading your theme to your store. This might take a few moments depending on the size of the file. Once the upload is complete, the new theme will appear in your list of available themes in the admin panel. From here, you can preview this new theme by selecting the Actions drop-down next to the theme and clicking on Preview. This step allows you to see exactly how your store will look before you make the theme live. This is a great time to ensure everything is displaying perfectly and to make any changes if needed. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your new theme looks, you can go ahead and activate it by clicking Publish under the Actions drop-down. Your new theme is now live on your online store. This customization step will immediately reflect on your storefront, enhancing the visual appeal and potentially improving user experience and engagement. And that's it, you've successfully imported your Shopify theme. With these easy steps, you've given your store a fresh new look. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks.